Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with a new video and this is the fourth lesson of the topic photosynthesis. If you haven't watched the previous three lessons, then first go and watch those videos on my channel and then come back to this video for better understanding. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. In this video, we will learn about the factors that affect photosynthesis. Now, there are two types of factors. One are the external factors and another are the internal factors. External factors are those factors which are actually present in the environment. That means they are not present inside the plants. Those are the factors which actually present exterior to the plants, right? And internal factors are those factors which are actually present inside the plants. External factors include the light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, water content. All these factors are present in the environment. Whereas in case of internal factors include chlorophyll, protoplasm, the structure of leaf, all these factors are present inside the plants, right? So first we will see the external factors. First, we will know about the light intensity and carbon dioxide concentration. Now, it is obvious that we will all think that if the light intensity increases, okay, then the rate of photosynthesis will also increase, right? It is obviously we will think that. Now, photosynthesis do increase with the light intensity, but it increases up to a certain limit. See here in the diagram. Then here it is the light intensity which is increasing in the x-axis and the rate of photosynthesis is in the y-axis. See, the rate of photosynthesis increases with the increase in the light intensity, but up to a certain limit which has been represented by S prime. Up to this particular point, S prime, the rate of photosynthesis increases with the increase in the light intensity. But after that, the rate of photosynthesis becomes constant or it becomes stabilized. Okay? And the carbon dioxide concentration is 0.02%. But if at this point is prime, if the carbon dioxide concentration becomes 0.05, previously it was 0.02, and now if the carbon dioxide concentration is increased at this point S prime, okay, then what will happen? Then photosynthesis will again increase. Then the rate of photosynthesis will further increase. See, in the next graph, here the photosynthesis is increasing, but up to a certain limit S prime. Now, after that, if carbon dioxide concentration is increased from 0.02 to 0.05%, then there is another increase in the carbon dioxide. There is another increase in the rate of photosynthesis. Again, till a point which is S double prime. Till a point S double prime. And after that, the rate of photosynthesis becomes stabilized. So, from this slide, it is very much clear that the rate of photosynthesis increases with the increase in the light intensity, but that too up to a certain limit. And if at that certain limit, after reaching at that point where after which the rate of photosynthesis will get stabilized, at that point, if the carbon dioxide concentration get increased, then further the rate of photosynthesis will increase. But after that, again the rate of photosynthesis will get stabilized. Okay, in this way the light intensity and carbon dioxide concentration affect photosynthesis. Next is temperature. Now, with the rise in temperature, the rate of photosynthesis will also increase, but this will increase up to an optimum temperature. The optimum temperature can be 35, or say here in this graph it's 37. See, in the x-axis there is temperature and in the y-axis there is rate of photosynthesis. See, as the temperature is increasing 20, 30, 40, the rate of photosynthesis is increasing, but this increases up to an optimum temperature of 35 or 37. After that, what will happen? After that, the photosynthesis or the rate of photosynthesis will fall, and finally, above 40 degrees centigrade, the photosynthesis will stop. So, the rate of photosynthesis will increase with increase in temperature up to a certain temperature. We will call it as optimum temperature. The optimum temperature is around 35 to 37 degrees centigrade. So, after that 35 or 37 degrees centigrade, the photosynthesis or the rate of photosynthesis is maximum at 35 or 37 degrees centigrade. There the photosynthesis occurs the best. After that, the rate falls, the rate decreases, and finally, when the temperature reached above 40 degrees centigrade, the process of photosynthesis gets stopped. Why this happens? Because the enzymes which are required for the process of photosynthesis, they get destroyed at that high level. Okay, for that reason. And up to that optimum temperature, that means up to this 37 or 35 degrees centigrade, for every 10 degree rise of the temperature, the rate of photosynthesis doubles. For example, if at 20 degrees centigrade, the rate of photosynthesis is 10, then at 30 degree, at then at 30 degree, what will happen? Okay, so at 30 degree, this will become 20. So, but this will occur up to that optimum temperature of 35 to 37 degrees centigrade. For every 10 degree rise in the temperature, the rate of photosynthesis will get double. Clear? Now, next is water content. Now, if there is scarcity of water, and this scarcity of water, it can cause due to any reason, like if there is a reduction in the absorption of water from the soil, or if the loss of water vapor, that is transpiration, the rate of transpiration becomes very high, if there is excessive loss of water vapor from the plants, then the scarcity of water will occur, right? At that point of time, the rate of photosynthesis will reduce. There will be reduction in the rate of photosynthesis if there is scarcity of water. At the same time, there will be reduction of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide intake will be reduced. Why? Due to the closure of stomata. Because stomata is the opening. Stomata is the place where the gaseous exchange occurs. If stomata is closed, then carbon dioxide will automatically cannot enter the plant. So carbon dioxide intake will also reduce, and the scarcity of water results in the reduction in the rate of the photosynthesis. And only 1% of water that is absorbed by the root is utilized in photosynthesis. Okay? Now we will know about internal factors. Internal factors, first is the chlorophyll. Now, if due to the deficiency of any minerals, if there is any deficiency, then there will be loss of chlorophyll. Why? Because for the proper functioning of chlorophyll, or for the proper formation of the chlorophyll, certain minerals are required. If there is any deficiency of those minerals, then there will be loss of chlorophyll. And what is the function of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll actually traps solar energy, the sunlight. If there is loss of chlorophyll, then it will not be able to trap the solar energy properly. As a result, it will affect the rate of photosynthesis. Next is protoplasm, the cellular content. If there is dehydration of protoplasm, that means the loss of water for any reason. Due to any reason, if there is dehydration of protoplasm, then it will definitely reduce the rate of photosynthesis. Similarly, if there is accumulation of the carbohydrates means in case of plants, it's sugar and starch. If sugar and starch get accumulated inside the cell, then also the rate of photosynthesis will reduce. And finally, the structure of leaf. The thickness of the cuticle, or the distribution of stomata in the leaves, or the size of the leaves, all these actually affect the rate of photosynthesis. It affects the amount of light that is trapped by the plants, or the amount of carbon dioxide that is entering the leaf. Okay, so in this way, these internal factors like chlorophyll, protoplasm, the structure of leaf, all these factors actually they affect the rate of photosynthesis. Next, we will know about the adaptations in leaf for photosynthesis. Now, what are the adaptations? First is the large surface area of leaves. Okay. Now, large surface area of leaves, it will do? If the surface area of the leaf is large, then maximum light will be absorbed, maximum sunlight will be absorbed, right? Suppose if you have seen the leaves of pine trees, okay, there the surface area is very small. In that case, the light energy is trapped is very small, and that surface area is small just to minimize transpiration, just to conserve water in those plants. So if surface area of the leaves is large, then maximum sunlight will be absorbed. Okay, next is leaf arrangement. Now if the leaf is arranged in 90-degree, okay, in right angle to the light source, suppose this is the leaf, or suppose this is the, okay, I'm showing you, suppose this is the sun, the light source, and this is the leaf, then it is in the 90-degree angle, right? Then it will obtain maximum light, then it will obtain the maximum light. Clear? Now next adaptation is cuticle and the epidermis. These are transparent and these are the waterproof materials. They will actually allow the light to enter freely, which will help in the process of photosynthesis. Next is the stomata. Numerous stomata, if numerous stomata are present in the leaves, then they allow rapid exchange of the gases, right? The oxygen will go out and the carbon dioxide will enter the plant, which will actually help the plant for the rapid photosynthesis. And next is the thinness of leaves. If the leaves are thin, then what will happen? If the leaves are thin, then it reduces the distance between the cells. The distance between the cells get reduced, which actually facilitate what? Rapid transport. It actually facilitate rapid transport. Okay? If the leaves are thin, then the distance between the leaves, or sorry, the distance between the cells get reduced, which help in rapid transport. So this is the thing about the thinness of leaves. Next is chloroplasts. Now I have already told you about chloroplast in my previous video. The chloroplasts, they are concentrated in the upper layers of the leaf. These chloroplasts are present where? Upper layers of the leaves. Now what happens? Now these chloroplasts actually obtain light energy very quickly. They obtain light energy very quickly, and light is very much required for the process of photosynthesis. In this way, it helps the plant in photosynthesis. And last is extensive vein system. This extensive vein system, vein means, suppose this is a leaf and these structures are the vein of the leaves. These structures. Now the extensive vein system will help the rapid transport. Okay. In the mesophyll cells, the rapid transport is facilitated by this extensive vein system. Okay. So these are the certain adaptations in the leaf that helps in photosynthesis. So I think this particular lesson is absolutely clear to you all. And if you think my videos are helpful and they're informative, then please like and share my videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. And I will be back with the new video very soon. Thank you for watching the video.